n plus s of n is equivalent to 2000. N plus s of n equivalent to 2000. In case if you are a viewer watching this video, kindly solve it on your own and look at my approaches. Then you will be able to understand the Anil Nair's way of solving the question. Sir, what is s of n here? S of n is sum of the digits. S of n is sum of the digits. There is a natural number n, it seems. S of n is sum of the digits. Natural number plus sum of the digits, it is 2000. What is the value of n? Or in case if there are more values, what are the various values of n? This is the question. N plus s of n equivalent to 2000. What is s of n? S of n, it is the sum of the digits. S of n, it is the sum of the digits. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Very, very good question. Solution. We will do it step by step. N is a natural number. N is a natural number. N is a natural number. What is the maximum single digit natural number? 9 plus 9. What is 9 plus 9? 18. 2000, it is much greater than 18. N cannot be a single digit number. N cannot be a single digit. If n is a 2-digit number, what is the largest 2-digit number? 99. N is 99. What is the sum of the digits of 99? 9 plus 9, 18. 99 plus 18, 117. 2000 is much greater than 117. N cannot be a 2-digit number. Can n be a 3-digit number? If I take the largest 3-digit number, which is 999, S of n will become 999 plus sum of 999 digits of 999 is 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27, which is also less than 2000. N cannot be a single digit. N cannot be a 2-digit. N cannot be a 3-digit number. N cannot be a 3-digit number. N cannot be single digit, 2 digits, 3-digit number. N has to be a 4-digit number. A, B, C, D. N has to be a 4-digit number. First we will solve it in a traditional method, then I will give you an optimal method. So B is the units place, C is in tens place, D is in units place, C is in tens place, B is in hundreds place, A is in thousand place. So A is in thousand place, 1000 A. B is in hundreds place, 100 B. C is in tens place, 10 C. D is in units place. This is n plus sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is a plus b plus c plus d is equivalent to 2000. Is equivalent to 2000. Till here it is clear. A is in thousands place, so 1000 A. B is in hundreds place, 100 B. C is in tens place, 10 C plus D plus A plus B plus C plus D equivalent to 2000. 1000 A plus A, which is 1001 A. 100 B plus B, which is 101 B. 10 C plus C, which is 11 C. D plus D, it is 2D. 2D equivalent to 2000. Till here it is clear, right? A cannot be 0. A is the leftmost digit. A cannot be greater than 1 if it is 2. 1001 into 2, 2002 plus positive. It cannot be this one. So A has to be 1. If A is 1, this will become 101B plus 11C plus 2D. 2001 minus 1001, which is 999. Which is 991. 1001, 101B plus 11C plus 2D is equivalent to 999. Now one thing which we immediately observe, 2D is an even number. If B is odd, C is odd. Odd into odd, odd. Odd into odd, odd. Odd plus odd, even. Even plus even, even. That means BC cannot be odd at the same time. Or if one is odd, another has to be even. What is the largest value B can take? B is a digit. So B maximum it can take, it is 9. If B maximum, if it is 9, 101 into 9, 909 plus 11C plus 2D is equivalent to 999. 999 minus 909, 90. 11C plus 2D is equivalent to 90. 90. What is the largest value C can take? C is a digit. C can take 9. 99 plus 2D, 90, not possible. So C can take 8. 11, 7, C's are 11 into 8, 88. D value will be 2. D value will be 2. Can C take 7? 11 7s are 77. 90 minus 77, 13. D value, it is coming in 13 by 2. D is a digit. Digit means it can take any value from 0 to 9. So can C take 6? 66. 2D will become 24. D will become 12. D value should range from 0 to 9. So can B value, can it take 8? 101 into 8. 808, 808, 999 minus 808, 191. If C takes 9, D takes 9. Still it will not reach that value. So the only value N can take it is only value. What is A value? A value, it is 1. What is B value? It is 9. What is C value? It is 8. What is the D value? It is 2. 1982. 1982 plus sum of the digits. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 2. 18 plus 2, 20. Now if you see here, D 7 8s are here 88. D value, it is 1. Sorry. D value, it is 1. It is 1. So this will become, anyway it has to be 1. Why? That also I will tell you. Just by looking at a question, what is the mistake we did it? 11 into 8, 88. 90 minus 88 is 2. 2D it is 2. We took D value 2. 2D it is 2. So D value, it is 1. So the number is 1981. Number is 1981. What is sum of the digits of 1981? 1981, it will become 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 1981 plus 19. It is 2000. So N will be a 4-digit number. N cannot take single digit. N cannot take 2 digits. N cannot take 3 digits. N can take only a 4-digit number. What is the lowest 5-digit number? Lowest 5-digit number is, this one is the lowest 5-digit number, plus something. Answer will be greater than 10,000. So N cannot be greater than 4-digit number. N cannot be single digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. So N has to be a 4-digit number, A, B, C, D. This is the traditional method. I hope the idea it is clear.